Thank you so much, sir. May I now invite on stage for our next segment of awards, Mr. Arvind Malkhare, IRTS Officer, Government of India, Chief Guest, as well as Mr. Hemant Kaushik, CEO, IBC Corp USA, for presenting the next awards. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause and welcoming Mr. Arvind and Mr. Hemant to join us for the second set of awards. So ladies and gentlemen, we now move on to India's Best Company of the Year 2017, and up next are going to be the awardees list. For India's Best Investment Banking and Securities Services Company goes to IDBI Capital Markets and Securities Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause, and may I request Mr. Nagaraj Galra, Managing Director and CEO, to join us on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause and congratulations IDBI Capital Markets and Securities Limited for being India's Best Investment Banking and Securities Services Company. Congratulations once again. For India's Best Building Product Manufacturing Company, and it goes to HIL Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause, and may I request Neha Gupta Day, Head of Marketing, and Mr. Hemchandra Peruveli, Chief Human Resource Officer, to kindly join us on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause, as these are the awards for India's Best Company of the Year, and HIL Limited just got the India's Best Building Products Manufacturing Company. Congratulations, HIL Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, moving on to our next award. India's Best Human Capital and Workforce Management Solutions Company goes to Procure Tech Staff Private Limited. Could we have Mr. Pranav Dev, Vice President Business Development, to kindly join us on stage. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause to Procure Tech Staff Private Limited for being India's Best Human Capital and Workforce Management Solutions Company. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, for India's Best Cement Manufacturing Company, and it goes to JK Cement Limited. Could we have Mr. Nitish Chopra, Head Branding and Communications, to kindly join us on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause and congratulations JK Cement Limited for being India's Best Cement Manufacturing Company. Congratulations once again to JK Cement Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, up next for India's Best Fertilizers and Chemicals Manufacturing Company, and it goes to Gujarat Narmada Valley Fertilizers and Chemicals Limited. Could we have Mr. A.V. Langoti and Mr. Jitin Desai, Assistant General Manager, to kindly join us on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for both our gentlemen, as they have bagged India's Best Fertilizers and Chemicals Manufacturing Company, representing Gujarat Narmada Valley Fertilizers and Chemicals Limited. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, for India's best cold rolled steel products manufacturing company, and it goes to National Steel and Agro Industries Limited. Could we have Mr. Nagalingam Goli, Managing Director, to kindly join us on stage? Come on everyone, let's give them a huge round of applause and congratulate National Steel and Agro Industries Limited for being India's best cold rolled steel products manufacturing company. Congratulations. For India's best sugar manufacturing company goes to EID Parry India Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request Mr. Balaji Prakash, Vice President, Sales and Marketing, to kindly join me on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause and congratulations to EID Parry India Limited for being India's best sugar manufacturing company. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, for India's best coal-producing company goes to Mahanadi Coalfields Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, could I request Dr. Shambhu Jha, Technical Secretary, to kindly join us on stage. So he's a Technical Secretary to the CMD. Mahanadi Coalfields Limited bags India's best coal-producing company. So could we have a huge round of applause? Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, for India's best visa outsourcing services limited company goes to BLS International Services Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request Mr. Shikhar Agarwal, Joint Managing Director, to kindly join us on stage. Congratulations, BLS International Services Limited. Could we have Mr. Roy to kindly join us on stage? And congratulations once again to BLS International Services Limited for being India's best visa outsourcing services company. Congratulations once again. For India's best steel section pipes and tubes manufacturing company goes to APL Apollo Tubes Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, could I request Mr. Anunay Goswani, Head of Marketing, to kindly join us on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause, and let's congratulate APL Apollo Tubes Limited for being India's best steel section pipes and tubes manufacturing company. Next up, for India's best aluminium products manufacturing company goes to Arfin India Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request Mr. Mahendra R. Shah, Chairman, and Mr. Jatin M. Shah, Managing Director, to kindly join us on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a huge congratulations, and let's give them a great round of applause for being India's best aluminium products manufacturing company. For India's best specialty chemicals manufacturing company goes to Daiichi Karkaria Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request Shernaz Firoz Vakil, the Chairman and Managing Director, and Ms. Meher Vakil, Chief Operating Officer, to kindly join us on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause and congratulations for being India's best specialty chemicals manufacturing company. Ladies and gentlemen, for India's best real estate company, and it goes to Amma Construction India Private Limited. Could I request Mr. R. Ramakrishna, Managing Director, to kindly join us on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge, huge round of applause and congratulations once again for being India's best real estate company. All right, so we have Mr. Ram, who's going to be collecting, and he's one of the directors. So could we have a huge, huge round of applause, please? So ladies and gentlemen, up next for the India's best construction steel bars and rings manufacturing company, and it goes to Indus Steels and Alloys Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, could I request Mr. S.R. Sathanathamam, the director of the company, to kindly join us on stage. And I can see the entire team joining us, so could we have a huge, huge round of applause and congratulations. Mr. Shrikant Adidas, they all are there with us on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge, huge round of applause and congratulations to Indus Steels and Alloys Limited for being India's best construction steel bars and rings manufacturing company. Congratulations, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, up next for India's best pharmaceutical company, and it goes to Precia Pharma Private Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, could I request Mr. Sanjay Pawar, MD and CEO, Mr. Jugal Kishore Taparia, Honorary Director, to kindly join us on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge, huge round of applause and congratulations to Precia Pharma Private Limited for being India's best pharmaceutical company. Congratulations, gentlemen.